Hey, welcome back, friend. This is Subhas here, and now in this lesson, we are going to find high converting affiliate offers, which you can write review article to your review website. So I hope your website is ready. You install plugin, themes, customization, and everything. And if you want to advance customization like some SEO, website customization, creating illegal pages and everything, you should check out our pro training because pro advanced training it is really important for you because it is not a complete training and you must go to and access pro training because where I have explained everything about customize your website and how you can rank your website to your on Google within 24 hour and everything. So that is important for you. Simply click the link below and go to access our pro training, and if you already have access, that is good, and you can learn there. Okay, but in this lesson we are going to find high converting offer. So uh, three type offer available on the marketplace. Number one, low ticket offer. Number two, high ticket offer. And number three, service based offer, SaaS offer. Like you want to promote any software and which is provide services. So three type offer available on marketplace. But if you are a beginner, then I highly recommend you can go with low ticket offer and SaaS offer. Okay, and where you can find that is very easy. Simply go to the just manchai.com. Simply click on here, search Manchai on Google. Okay, that's very easy. So you can do it, I can do it, you can do it. And here you can see every single vendor launching daily basis their product. So I have already created a category about uh, software and affiliate marketing software, SEO software, video software, and email software, chatbot software. So many types of software creating on here or launching on here. You can see WP theme. It is just theme. So you can see this is WP theme. It means you can write your article on theme category. So you can see software. So here is your website. So once you start your creating your review, then you can always put this on your WP theme category. Just a minute. Where is going? You can see WP theme category. Okay, and here is another Arbit Pro and VMS Cover Pro. It is cover creating software, and this is a PLR. You can create another category called PLR and Money Magnet. Click on here. You don't promote every offer, just promote only high conversion. And you can see this is 5 November. Today is 5 November, and this person fitness center wonderful for software. He launching this one software on both platform like WordPress and Zebizu. So you can grab a link from anywhere. And Deepapa, I know this person is cloud-based software for training. You can this software provide Instagram and Pinterest training. Okay, so just we are going to promote this software called Deepapa and Traffic Titan maybe. And one thing is very important here. You can see three type offer available. Yellow color offer, it is important, and premium vendor, and mostly this type of yellow and blue lines, it is all about all softwares. Okay, and this is some info product, PLR, and any kind and so many kind of product on here. And mostly you can promote PLR product, sorry, you can promote your softwares. Okay, so it is going 9, and you can also can promote this kind of software, and it will making a lot of commission. So what you can do for cut and Traffic Titan. So a lot of software available out there, but it is 5555. So I'm going to promote this software because I know this person is really launching very good product every single month, and I know personally him, and he making a lot of affiliate commission every single day. So what you need to do, so, choose this product, and you can. The best part is this offer. How much money you making once you promoting just one single product, buying up to $500, $562. It means you can promote one single product and you will make 500 plus dollar every single customer. So you can see front end you make half commission, 50% commission. You will make 50% commission OTO one, 50% commission OTO two, 50% commission OTO three, four, five. Okay, and main contest also you can, if you promoting you making a lot of sale, then you can win 15,000 1500 JB cash prize if you go achieving one place. So that is very easy, and you can do this because I already am achieving a lot of results. And simply click on here, and next video I'll show you how you can get approval. Okay, so go to mansai.com, and find high converting offer. The best part is you can promote only software and only info product from Bitbuilder. So inside Mansai I have already explained. Still if facing any problem regarding to finding high converting offer, then feel free to contact me and I will help you. Okay. So thanks for watching this lesson. I'll meet you another lesson. Thank you.